Hi YouTube friends and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a French braid toolkit we bought from Amazon. I've been seeing this tool used on mannequins that have straight hair, and I have not seen any with curly hair. So I bought one and I want to try it with my daughter's curly hair to see what it does and if it works. I start off by doing a rectangle right in the middle of her hair with the little ponytail and loop the French toolkit on the top of her hair. Then I'm going to be grabbing one part of each side of her hair, holding it on the loop one by one. So here I'm noticing that the side hair that I'm grabbing to put on the loop seems to be perhaps too thin, and it's not as full as I have seen in the videos with the mannequins. And my daughter's hair is semi-wet because it is towel dried out of the shower, so that could make a difference. Once it dries up, it'll puff up a little bit.
Shiny star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.
So you guys, I am at the end of the hair braid loop, the French braid, and it's looking more like a lobster tail or a mermaid tail rather than a French braid all the way towards the bottom. And as you can see, the white of the tool is exposed, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of improv to fix that, and I'm thinking of putting some flowers there. So the flowers worked and it covered up, and it is looking more like a mermaid tail. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this beautiful LED light for hair at night as we are going to an event. I'm going to loop it at the bottom, and then with the hair kit tool I am going to basically kind of sew it into the hair at the bottom, creating a type of splash so that the LED lights will go all across the bottom and not just on one part of the hair or straight down. The LED light is made for the hair and it's got a clip at the bottom. So I'm simply clipping it in the back, securing it with the hair tie, and then feeding the tube in to create a little bit of a splash. You'll see that at the end. I guess if I had to describe it, essentially what I'm doing is I'm showing the LED through the hair. YouTube friends, I'm linking all of the tools that I used today in the description below. And we are done, YouTube friends. This is what the hairstyle looks like at night. It is for outdoors, indoors, any theme party, 80s theme, outdoor kids. It is wonderful. My daughter and her friends loved her hairstyle. It was so unique and so cool. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, and again, we thank you for your support to our channel. Bye, YouTube friends.